Hello, this is the current state of my hair right now, and as you can see, I am in desperate need of help. Yeah, okay, come with me to my kitchen. So, we're going to be making a hair mask out of all of these ingredients. Yeah, okay, so I didn't measure anything at all. We're gonna basically eyeball it together. I'm gonna give you maybe some not so precise measurements. I used an entire avocado minus the pit and the skin, if that was not self-explanatory. Also use some mayo, maybe like 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons, maybe. Also use some honey. I want to say maybe a tablespoon and a half of honey. And maybe I want to say 2/3 to a cup of olive oil. And then I just blended it. I also added some more olive oil because it just wasn't like creamy enough for me. So I added this to a smaller jar and popped it in the fridge. This looks like sofrito. If you know, you know. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair in 4 parts, very rough parts because my hair was so tangled. Didn't want to stress myself out trying to make perfect parts just to detangle my hair. So I'm using all the patience I could possibly muster up and detangling from tip to root. So taking my time with this process because I was neglecting my hair as much as it was. I didn't want to hurt myself any further. I was daydreaming. Um, so here is the mix. I had left it in the fridge for like an hour just because I was, detangling and doing other things, relaxing for a little while. Here is my hair fully parted into all the sections that I created. It's probably like 6 sections. I figure the more sections, the better because it'll be easier to just put the mask on. So right now I'm just shocked for some reason because it just fell all over my lap. Yeah, just doing exactly what you see I'm doing. I'm applying it as carefully as possible and raking it through. I think I'm gonna let y'all watch now because, like, again, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to really get in there, making sure it covers all the strands of hair. This is me being very shocked at how quickly my curls are coming back to life. I barely even had it on for a few minutes at this point, and the mask is working very, very well. You can see the curls just coming right back to life without any water. So, yeah, I was excited at this point. At this point, I'm very happy with how these results are turning out so far. I am a little shocked, honestly. I haven't done a hair mask in such a long time because honestly, I just didn't have hair for a while, and honestly, not I just didn't have the patience to do it, but my hair was so dry. I just knew I needed something extra like conditioner, like shampoo and conditioner just wasn't going to cut it. So, yeah, we went the little extra mile and I'm really glad that I did. I am kind of on a hair journey of growth. I never really expect my hair to grow past a certain length because it never has, but I think I want to challenge myself to grow my hair as long as possible. And if it means putting some green gunk on my head once in a while, I think I'm going to make that sacrifice. The amount that I made was pretty good. I wish I made just like a little bit extra because I felt like the front portion of this part of my hair didn't get as much of the mask that it needed. It was really dry. My hair tends to be very dry in the front because that's where I manipulated the most. So yeah, I wish I would have made just a little bit more, but overall it did cover my entire head, so that was good. I'm using my fingers to massage my scalp so I can get the product to reach my scalp all the way. Again, I would have preferred there to be like a little bit more on the cup so I could just literally pour it on my head and massage it in. These are a lot of good ingredients that will do well for your scalp to moisturize your scalp as well. And yeah, again, we're trying to grow our hair, so a healthy scalp means healthy hair. Yep. So right now I'm just pinning it up. The sections that I had, there were too many sections. I want to be able to put a clear cap on, as you can see, because we're going to be sitting under a dryer for a little while to help really get that product to penetrate and moisturize the follicles of hair. So this is my little makeshift dryer. I got this from Amazon. Love this. It's really compact and it works really well. You can literally bring this anywhere with you. And it's so good. I like to use my little mini blow dryer, so I could literally take this anywhere because the blow dryer is also really tiny. Right now I'm just covering my ear and the I don't know, the plastic gets really hot, so I'm covering it a little bit just so it's not gonna like burn or anything like that. I don't know. I don't know. I just felt like this was a good thing to do. It's gonna trap the heat in even more. And yeah, so I sit like this for, I want to say, like, I was only going to sit here for like 30 minutes because I had other stuff to do, but the time just went, you know. I think I sat with this on my head for like 45 minutes to an hour. I don't know. I probably should have paid more attention to the time. Honestly, I would sleep in this thing if I could. I think the results would have been so much better. But yeah, we just sat under the dryer for a little while and it still did its thing. So again, it's been like 45 minutes to an hour at this point, and we are done with the dryer. That's my son. He understands. He understands. He gets it. So I just got out the shower, and these are the results. It's definitely very shiny, very bouncy. The curls look like they never left. And yeah, I'm really excited to do this again. I think next time I'm definitely going to leave it in for a bit longer. Hopefully have enough. I'm probably going to start at the beginning this time, excuse me, the front of my head this time, because that's where I need the most help and the most the most moisture. But anyways, thanks so much for watching and God bless you.